Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make oats flour at home. This flour I use for preparing cakes, pastries and smoothies. Very easy to make at home and very healthy also. It is a healthy alternative of maida. So if you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon for future notification. Here I am using a wide pan for roasting the oats. This is the oats I am using and it is old-fashioned rolled oats. This is 750 grams. Add the oats into this pan and turn on the flame. We are going to roast this until we get a roasted smell. It may take few minutes. We have to stir it continuously, otherwise it may burn. So that's why we have to be very careful and we have to stir it continuously. Instead of rolled oats, we can use normal cooker oats also. Follow the same procedure. If you want to buy this rolled oats through online, I will give a link in the description box. You can click on that. So now I am getting the roasted smell. It is roasted properly. I took around 7 minutes and 10 seconds. The roasting time will depending upon the burner that we are using, but definitely it will roast within 5 to 7 minutes. Transferring this into a wide pan and allow it to cool down. So it is cooled down completely. Now we will powder it. Add this one into a grinding jar and make a fine powder. This is a sifter I am using. It has a very fine holes. This I am using to sift rice flour. It has this very small hole so that we will get a very fine powder. This is the remaining oats bran which is there in the sifter. Add this into the jar along with the rolled oats and grind it and make it as a powder. Repeat the same process for the remaining oats also. Finally, this much is remaining. This I will throw it. So that's it. This is the oat flour. We can make 5 to 6 cakes with this measurement with the 750 grams of oat flour. I store this in an airtight glass container and it will stay long in room temperature. We don't need to store in the fridge. These are some of the cakes which I made with this oat flour. Very shortly I will upload a video of how to make red velvet cake with oats flour. So please stay tuned. So see you again with a new and healthy recipe. Until then, take care. Bye bye.